So, hello, assalamualaikum and annyeong everyone. Alright, so in this video, we are going to discuss on how to answer question number 33 from past year chapter 4. Okay, so soalan cakap, soalan bagi kita satu matrix, okay, matrix A is this one. Okay, and then the first part dia cakap, given the cofactor matrix of A is this one. Okay, so this is what we call as cofactor matrix. So, kita boleh tulis cofactor matrix as C. Okay, so cofactor matrix kita sama dengan this one lah. Okay, and then dia bagi kat situ X is greater than 0. Okay, so itu adalah untuk first part. Okay, so and then soalan cakap determine the values of X and Y. So soalan minta awak cari values of X and also Y. Okay, nilai X dan juga nilai Y. Okay, so apa formula untuk cofactor matrix? So we know that in order for us to find cofactor matrix, so Cij is equal to A. Oh, sorry, it's not A. It's actually negative 1 power of I plus J. Okay, and then darabkan dengan minor Ij. Okay, so saya tarik kat sini. Alright, so kalau awak tengok kepada awak punya cofactor sekarang ni, so cofactor awak yang ada unknown, kita akan ambil yang ada unknown sahaja sebab kita nak cari yang unknown tu. So you don't have to actually find all the element in your cofactor matrix. Okay, so awak hanya perlu cari yang mana yang kita ada variable saja. Itu je yang kita nak cari. Okay, so kita ada this one dengan this one. Okay, so itu adalah yang berada pada elemen row 1, kolom 2. 1, 2, C1, 2. This one is C row kolom C3, 2. Kat situ. Okay, so jom kita try. So, C1, 2, dia adalah equal to negative 1 power of I kita adalah 1, J kita adalah 2. Okay, so minor kita nak cari minor is, awak akan deletekan di row and also column. So row nombor 1 kita buang dengan kolom nombor 2. Okay, so what's left for us is 2, 3, 2, negative 1. Okay, this is C12. Okay, what about C32? So untuk C32, it is equal to negative 1 power of 3 plus 2. Okay, and then awak buat determinant of that element. Okay, so kita akan delete this column number 3 and row number 2. It's row number 3, column number 2. Okay, so awak akan dapat 1, negative 1, 2, negative 3. Okay, settle. Alright, so jom kita try. Okay, so C12 given by the question is X plus Y. X plus Y. Okay, and then negative 1 power of 3 is negative. Okay, so the determinant that you have is 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. And then, buat je dulu, negative 2. Okay, and then 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, so proses kat tengah dia adalah tolak. Okay, saya tarik kat situ. Okay, so let's simplify this one. So you have X plus Y is equal to negative, and then negative 2 minus 6 is negative 8. So it's going to be 8. Kat situ. Okay, so this is your first equation. This is your first equation. Okay, so secondly, kita akan solvekan pula this one. So C32 is actually X square. Okay, and then equal to negative 1 power of 3 plus 2. So it's going to be negative 1 power of 5. Okay, so nombor ganjil akan dapat negative 1 juga. Okay, and then the determinant is 1 times negative 3 is negative 3. And then 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Okay, so proses kat tengah dia adalah tolak. So buat bracket 2 kali. Okay, so let's simplify this one. Buat dapat X square. This one is equal to negative 3 plus 2 is negative 1. So negative 1, negative is 1. Okay, so this one adalah kita punya second equation. Okay, so kita boleh solvekan terus dekat sini. We can actually find our X. So square root both sides. So you are going to have X with two values. First is positive, second is negative. Okay, plus minus 1. Okay, but take a look back at this condition given by the question. Okay, so dia cakap kat sini X tu adalah greater than 0. So maksudnya kita akan reject X equal to negative 1. Okay, so since X is greater than 0, X is equal to 1. Okay, that is our value for X. Okay, so sekarang just substitute the value that you have. Okay, so substitute X equal to 1 into the first equation. Okay, so when substitute, you are going to have 1 plus Y equal to 8, which gives you Y equal to 7. So that is your answer for Y and also X. Okay, so settle the first part. Okay, so let's move on to the second part. Okay, so part B, given that we have this equation, okay, and then soalan minta kita show that daripada sini, dia boleh jadi sini. Okay, we need to show this one. Okay, and then hence find AQ. Okay, so soalan ni ada dua bahagian. So the first one you need to show The first part is showing part, and then the second part is awak kena cari apakah nilai A3. So this is the second part. Okay, so kita buat dulu first part. Okay, so first part kita ada equation asal. We have A square minus 4A plus I equal to 0. Okay, so sekarang ni soalan nak kita showkan yang kita ada ni sekarang, dia boleh jadi dalam bentuk ini. Okay, so macam mana kita nak dapat yang tu? Okay, so sekarang cuba kita tengok. Dekat kita punya A square, sini kita ada A square. Okay, dekat sini kita ada A cube. So we don't have A cube. So from A square, nak jadikan dia A cube, kita tambah lagi satu A. So bukan tambah, kita akan darabkan dia. Okay, so maksudnya dekat sini, we are going to multiply this equation that we have with matrix A. Okay, so remember, when multiplying a matrix, okay, into every term, dia mesti duduk dekat sebelah, dekat belah yang sama, dekat tempat yang sama. Okay, so if I'm going to put the A on the right hand side, so saya nak letak dekat sini. So semua pun akan letak dekat belah kanan juga. Okay, so awak akan dapat A square A minus 4A plus identity times A is equal to 0. Okay, so A squared times A is A cube. Okay, and then A times A is A square. Dapat 4A square. And then identity times a matrix is equal to that matrix. Okay, which is equal to 0. Okay, so dah proof ke belum? Belum. Okay, so kalau tengok dekat situ, if you take a look at this one, okay, we have A cube. Kita ada A cube, kita ada A cube. Okay, so now apa kata kita jadikan A cube ni sebagai subjek kita? Okay, so move everything else to the right hand side. Okay, so you are going to have A cube is equal to 4A square plus, it's minus A. Okay, sikit lagi. Alright, and then bila kita tengok dekat this one over here, there is no A square kan? Tapi kat sini awak ada A square. Sebab apa? Macam mana kita nak hilangkan A square ni? So tadi soalan dah bagi daripada awal ni tadi. We already know what is. We have an equation with A square inside. Okay, so awak boleh jadikan A square ni sebagai subjek, and then awak substitutekan dia into this one. Okay, so saya tulis dekat atas. From here, you are going to have A square equal to 4A minus I. Okay, so just substitutekan sahaja this one. So awak akan dapat A cube is equal to 4A square tadi adalah 4A minus I. Okay, and then minuskan dengan A. Okay, so kita tulis this one, masuk dekat this one. Okay, so jom kita expand this one. So A cube is still A cube, and then awak akan dapat 16A minus 4I minus A. Okay, simplify further. We are going to have A cube equal to 16 minus 1 is 15. 15A minus 4I. Okay, so proof shown. Ding, ding. Okay, siap. Okay, so itu adalah first part. Alright, so let's move to the second part. Okay, so second part soalan minta kita cari A cube. Okay, so awak gunakan sahaja formula A cube. Okay, you just use this formula that you have proved just now. Okay, so masukkan A, masukkan identity matrix awak. Okay, so saya salin balik formula A cube kita. So A cube is equal to 15A and then minus with 4I. Okay, so 15A is the matrix that we have. So 1, 2, negatif 1, 2, 3, negatif 3, 2, 2, negatif 1. Okay, and then minuskan dengan 4 identity. So identity kita adalah 3 by 3 matrix. So 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Tutup. Okay, so jom. So kita akan expand dulu. Oh, dia actually tak perlu expand pun tak apa sebenarnya. Oh, boleh je terus kira. Maksudnya 15 kali 1, 15 tolak 4. Okay, so kita dapat 19. This is 19. Okay, and then 15 times 2 is 30. So just 30. Okay, and then 15 times 2 again is 30. This one is 30 as well. Okay, and then second column pula. So 15 kali 2, 30. Ni pun 30. Okay, so 15 kali 3, 45. 45 tolak 4, 41. Okay, so oh, I think this one is not 19. 15 tolak 4. It's supposed to be 11. Okay, and then 15 times 2 is 30. Another 30. Okay, so 15 times negative 1 is negative 15. And then 15 times negative 3 is negative 45. Okay, so 15 times negative 1 is negative 15 minus 4, negative 19. Okay, this is your final answer. Okay, that's all in this video. Bye-bye.